6. Tom earns a weekly wage of $1,025. He also receives an additional allowance of $87.50 per day when handling toxic substances. Ooh. What is Tom's income in a fortnight in which he handles toxic substances on 5 separate days? So this is his income for a fortnight, which is 2 weeks. So we need 2 weeks of his weekly income. Which will be $2,050. I don't even need the calculator. $2,050. And then 5 separate days in which he handles toxic substances. And each day he handles it, he gets $87.50. Oops. Times 5, which is, this time I do need my calculator. $437.50. So his pay for these 2 weeks is going to be this plus the $2,050, which is $2,487.50. There we go, we got it. So to check my answers, these two can't be it because that's not even 2 weeks wage. So if you don't know how to do these questions, really multiple choice, you can cut down a lot of the highly probable wrong answers. So you can just delete them and now you have a 50-50 chance. So that's better than a quarter chance. I'm just gonna go ahead and check the answers for 6D. Excellent. 7. It is given that I is equal to 3/2 mr squared. What is the value of I when m is this and r is that to 2 decimal places? So this is a straight substitution question, so I'm just going to type it in my calculator. So I is equal to 3/2 times m, which is 26.55, times r, which is 3.07 squared, which is 375.35. There you go. 7 is A. There you go. By the way, I'm not going into too much details on these because I don't want to spend too much time explaining questions. I just want to show you how I would do them. So if you want anything explained, please write a comment below on the thing that you want to explain and I'll do a separate video on that. Okay, number 8. The diagram shows a right angle triangle. What is the value of theta to the nearest minute? So this is trig. You've got a right angle triangle, which is important that that right angle is there. That theta is there, that's 1.9 and that's 5.3. So from the theta's point of view, you have the opposite side and you've got the adjacent side. So then you would use tangent. Tan theta is equal to opposite over adjacent. Opposite is 5.3 and adjacent is 1.9. Then you get 5.3 divided by 1.9 is it's not pretty. I'll keep it at fraction. 53/19. Sure, why not? I'll write it down. Now the question is, what is the value of theta? We found tan theta, so we still need, I'm just going to come up here, theta is going to equal to inverse tan or arc tan of 53/19. So You just put that in the calculator, you press shift 10, and so 70 degrees and 17 minutes. 8B. That was a tricky one. They tried to get you with that 16 minutes, but no, it's 70 degrees and 17 minutes. So let's see. 8B. Yep. Moving on, question 9. What is the value of x in the equation 5 minus x all over 3 is equal to 6? There are two ways you can do this. You can solve it, or you can put in every single number in there and see which one works. So I'm just going to solve it. 5 minus x on 3 equals 6 times 3 to both sides. And plus x to both sides, minus 18 to both sides. X is minus 13. I'm going to double check that to see if I got it right. So all I'm doing is I'm going to put negative 13 into where x is and see if I get 6. So 5 minus 13 all over 3, and it's 6. Good. I'm 100% sure 9 is A. Yeah. Good. Number 10. A single amount of $10,000 is invested for 4 years, earning interest at the rate of 3% per annum compounded monthly. Which expression will give the future value of this investment? Alright, now we go to the thing, to the paper. Financial mathematics, compound interest. This is the future value, and we have the principal amount, which was like $10,000 or something. We have the rate, we have the amount of years or number of compounding periods, and we use this one. So back to question 10. Which expression will give the future value? So it was 10,000 times 1 plus the interest. Oh, this is tricky. It's invested for 4 years, but it's compounded monthly. So the amount of times the money is compounded is 4 times 12, which is 48. So it is this one. Oh, no, it's not. It's this one. Pardon me. Lucky I checked, because the interest wouldn't be 0.03 because that's per annum. Since it's compounded monthly, it's a 12th of that, which would be 0.03 all over 12. So 10 is D. That was almost got me, but didn't. So 10D, yeah.